This one particularly about what the Indian diaspora, particularly people living in the US, can do in terms of organizing themselves, and also whether the intellectuals here are receptive to the idea of offense is the best defense.
Well, I think whether Indian intellectuals are acceptable or not, you find both kinds, like in anything. So you ignore the ones who are not interested. Why do you want to worry about it? Plenty of intellectuals are interested. We should spend our time organizing them, training them, converting them, making them into a home team. And those who are not interested, we don't need. Maybe they'll join later, but why do we want to do the uphill battle first? You know? So first we need to organize those who are interested and get them on board. I would say what we first have to do is replicate me into multiple speakers so that a lot more of such thing can be going on and we can generate a larger voice. Second, we need to have some power people. We need to have briefings with people in Washington. The senators and congressmen in the beginning will not have time to come, but they have staffers who go and attend such meetings. Staffers will come more easily. Academic, I would love to have an academic. We had a debate in Princeton University, which is on the website. If you go to www.breakingindia.com, you click videos and you will see a bunch of videos. One of them is called Princeton University, and you will see my debate with Reverend Thompson. He's an Indian Christian from Tamil Nadu. So they picked just the right opponent for me. And it's a very interesting debate. So we want to have more of these things because it builds awareness. What we are providing is very solid content, very solid issue, with a lot of data. And so it can become an organizing principle to organize people around something. You need something solid and tangible. So these are things that we can do if there is enough help. I'm a writer, and I'm writing another book coming out in September-October time frame, which is also 500 pages. And then next year I have 2 more books coming out. So I've been doing this research for 15 years, and now I'm over 60, and I realized that I better get these books out, or else it'll all be wasted. So I have decided that instead of spreading myself too thin and being too ambitious, I got to sit down and get my books out. And that's my part of the job. Now you guys have to take it from there.